friends, and welcome to third exciting episode of Tech News with Pallav. Let's start today's tech news with Xiaomi. Xiaomi is going to launch its Xiaomi Mi Mix 4 smartphone in China on August 10, and it will feature truly under-display selfie camera and its new flexible display technology. Xiaomi is going to launch its Indian specific Mi 11 Lite NE 5G smartphone in India, and it is now listed on Indian IMEI database website. Xiaomi is soon going to launch its Redmi 10 smartphone in Asian market, and it completes the inclusion process of Serum certification. And soon this Redmi 10, Mi 11T and Mi 11T Pro smartphone are soon going to launch in Indian market as well. Xiaomi is going to launch its Xiaomi treadmill, and this treadmill receives Indonesian Telecom certification. Now talking about some new updates. So finally Redmi Note 9 smartphone has started receiving MIUI 12.5 update in India. So if you are waiting for this update for a very long time, now you can download it and enjoy the new MIUI 12.5 software. Next news is coming from Oppo. Oppo has finally showcased its upcoming truly under-display selfie cameras concept phones in China, and these smartphones are going to be seen commercially as well. The next news is coming from Samsung. Samsung Galaxy A52 5G smartphone is certified on US FCC certification, and according to FCC, this smartphone will feature two 5G bands, N5 and N66, and it will be powered with Qualcomm Snapdragon 778G processor. This smartphone will come in 6 and 8 GB RAM variants. It will run on Android 11 and it will support NFC. And this smartphone is soon going to be launched in India also, and it will come around rupees 35,000. Samsung Galaxy Buds 2 are going to be launched on August 11, and it will feature Bluetooth 5.2, active noise cancellation, wireless charging. It will come in a glossy finish, and the battery of each bud will be 61 mAh, and the battery of a charging case will be 472 mAh. Next news is coming from iQOO. iQOO is going to launch its iQOO 8 and iQOO 8 Pro in China on 17th of August, and both of these smartphones will have 120 watt fast charging, and it is now official that iQOO 8 Pro smartphone will feature 120Hz LTPO display. It is expected by September end or in starting of October. This series, that is iQOO 8 and iQOO 8 Pro, is going to be launched in India too, but the name of iQOO 8 Pro will be changed. Allegedly, the name of iQOO 8 Pro in India will be iQOO 8 Legend. The next news is coming from Lenovo. Lenovo is going to launch its new tablet in market named Lenovo Tab P12 Pro, and this tablet is listed on Google supported devices and Google Play control listing, and according to this listing, it will be powered with a Snapdragon 855 processor. It will have 8 GB of RAM, and it will run on Android 11. The next news is coming from Tecno. Tecno is soon going to launch its entry-level Tecno 8 smartphone, and this smartphone is also listed on Google supported devices and Google Play control listing. According to this listing, this smartphone will feature MediaTek Helio P22 processor. It will have 2 GB of RAM. It will run on Android 11 and the display will be of 720 by 1600 pixels. The next news is coming from Dell. Dell launched its two new laptops in India. Dell Alienware M15 R5 Ryzen Edition and Dell Alienware M15 R6 version laptops. These both are the gaming laptops. R5 version starts at a price of 1,35,000 and the R6 variant will cost around 1,60,000 rupees. The next news is coming from LG. LG has launched its three new laptops under its Gram series, and the starting price of these laptops is rupees 74,999. The next news is coming from OnePlus. OnePlus is going to launch its new color variant for OnePlus Nord 2 and OnePlus 9 Pro smartphone. And the color is of white color, and we can expect this new color from OnePlus in upcoming 1 to 2 months. The last news is coming from Realme. Realme has finally revealed that its 125 watt fast charging technology is going to be commercialized in 2022. So next year Realme's flagship smartphones are allegedly going to support 125 watt fast charging. Realme has finally announced its GT series of smartphones, that is Realme GT and Realme GT Master Edition, are going to be launched in India on 18th of August. Realme is soon going to launch its Realme Mouse, Realme Tab and Realme 8i smartphone, and all these products receives Indonesian Telecom certification. Realme launched a new 6GB RAM and 64GB ROM variant of Realme Narzo 30 in India at a price of 13,499 rupees. I hope you liked today's tech news. Please subscribe to the channel and press on the bell icon. So as soon as I post my next video, you will get the notification on your best smartphone. Please stay safe and stay healthy and have a great weekend. Thank you.